Hi there, this is April, and I want to walk you through how to make theme park reservations in Walt Disney World. You're going to start off with your My Disney Experience account, so you want to get logged into the account. Then you have a main page that will have your information. An important piece to be able to make park reservations is you need to have a resort hotel package or individual theme park tickets linked to your My Disney Experience account to be eligible for park reservations. You can check for theme park availability on the main page by going View Park Availability. So you have theme park tickets, resort hotel guests, and annual pass holders. For hotel guests, you can go to your month that you'd like to look at, and we can see, we'll start with January, and you can see there is full availability. So it'll tell you if it's green, then theme parks are available. We go back to Christmas week, we can see that on December 22nd, there is no availability in Magic Kingdom, nor in Disney's Hollywood Studios, but you could make a pass for Disney's Animal Kingdom or Epcot. So, and that will carry forward through the rest of the year until the end of next December, in which case there's still time to get theme park reservations for next Christmas. Once you have reviewed that, you can go back to your main page. And we have of our icons, park reservations. So we're going to click on Make a Park Reservation. So if we're going to do theme park tickets, we can click on theme park tickets. Then you're going to pull up and say who else is going with your party. Continue. You'll pick the date that you wish to go. And this will be relevant to your package or when your tickets are dated. So I don't have theme park tickets. I'm a pass holder, so it's not going to allow me to make a reservation, but we'll put it in for here. And then at that point, you can also select which park you would like to visit on that day. So we'll say Magic Kingdom, and it's going to reject me because I don't have a theme park ticket. I have annual passes, but it gives you the idea. So once you click on the date, and then click on the park. On the next screen, it's going to ask you to confirm, and there is a waiver speaking about COVID-19 for you to acknowledge. And then once you confirm, you have your theme park reservation, and you'll see that present on your My Disney Experience page. So we go back. I'm going to go to my plans. And you can see that because I have a reservation coming up next month, and here is my park pass for next month. You can also go in and click View Details for that park pass. And here's where you can also see all your park reservations, and you can choose to cancel them if you wish. So that's how you make theme park reservations for your next Walt Disney World vacation. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.